kajal, nothing I can find.
It's not true.
See, Midun, it's caught now. It's 100% official that you're the one who's hogging all the time. Option number 1.
All good. Happy.
So Abba, how was your show?
Good, yeah, we had so much fun. The crowd had so much fun. And it was a very good crowd for a corporate show, I have to say. They heard us fully.